Hi guys, today we're going to do an example expanding a binomial to some power using the binomial theorem. So here's our example. We want to expand 2x minus 3y to the fourth power. So we just plug in our values into our binomial theorem. Our binomial coefficients are going to be 4 above 0, 4 above 1, all the way to 4 above 4. Our first term is going to decrease as far as the power is concerned. It's going to go from 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 to 0. And our second term, we have to remember to put that minus together with the 3y. That's going to be our increasing power. So here it's 0 because it's missing. There's a power of 1, the power of 2, 3, and 4. So our first step when we evaluate these is to go ahead and evaluate the binomial coefficients. So 4 choose 0 and 4 choose 4 are always going to be 1 because we end up with 4 factorial over 4 factorial, so we don't really have to worry about those. 4 choose 1 and 4 choose 3, those are always, if they're anything choose 1 is just the number on the top because you're going to get all the other factors to cancel out. 4 choose 3 or any number choose 1 less is going to be the same thing. And then 4 choose 2 or 4 above 2 is you're just going to have to do a little bit of expansion to see what that's going to be. In this case, we got a 2 factorial times a 2 factorial, which is just 2 times 2, cancels with that 4, and we're just left with 6. So now we replace all of our binomial coefficients with the numbers that we found. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 is our binomial coefficients for this one. And then from there, it's just a little bit of algebra. So we have to remember when we have parentheses, two things being multiplied inside them to some power, each one of those factors gets the exponent. So 2 to the fourth is 16, x to the fourth is x to the fourth. Here we've got 1 negative, so it's going to make the second term negative, and here we've got 3 negatives, and it's going to make the third term negative. If you've got a minus inside of your binomial, it's always going to alternate signs, the terms, when you list them in order. So if you want to think about it that way, that might be a little bit easier. The rest is just multiplying out these terms, and we get our answer: 16x to the fourth minus 24x cubed y plus 216x squared y squared minus 216xy cubed plus 81 y to the fourth. And it's a lot easier to use the binomial theorem than actually foiling those out. You're going to get lots and lots of terms. You'll have to combine like terms. So whenever we can use the binomial theorem, it's much better. That's all for today.